actually does work. I've been obsessed with these viral TikTok makeup hacks all over my FYP, so today we're gonna put them to the test. So the first hack is to apply setting powder to my eyeshadow to prevent creasing and to give it an airbrushed look. And I just want to let you know that I currently don't have any eyeshadow primer on, just straight eyeshadow, and we're gonna dip our brush into the setting powder, and we have quite a lot of product there, and then we're just gonna apply it on, and let's see. So apparently this is an old Hollywood hack. We are wiping that off. Is the eyeshadow in the room with us? I don't necessarily think that worked for us, but okay. The next hack is mixing concealer with setting powder, which is supposed to extend wear time and prevent creasing. So we're gonna see if that works. So what I'm gonna do is just tap that in and then add to my under eyes. Actually, I don't think I got enough, so I'm going to pick up a little bit more setting powder and add that to what we already created. And then we're gonna blend it out. And so far, I can tell you it is very full coverage, and it is hiding every little secret that I could possibly have. I feel like it does work, but at this moment, it may be a little bit patchy. I feel like it works. I mean, I don't know, you guys tell me. Do you think it works? I think it works. The next hack is the 3-finger contour hack, which is supposed to lift the face. And so what we're going to do is put our fingers right on our face. We're gonna add our contour. We're going to add our blush. And then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow shade as highlight because it's so pretty. I'm just gonna take a brush and blend it all upwards. Okay. And now it's time to start blending. And so far everything is looking good. This one I think actually is a vibe. This one worked. What do you guys think? Yeah. So the next hack is using a bobby pin to create the perfect wing liner. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin and my eyeliner, and I'm gonna place the loop side of the bobby pin and then color inside, and oh, it actually does work. This one actually does work. Wow, that is the most perfect liner ever. I mean, look at this. This is so precise. And then what you can do is just color in the rest to connect the liner. That is beautiful. Okay, bobby pin. This is really cool. The next hack is a Q-tip hack. This hack is supposed to prevent from getting a lot of product within the inner corners of your lips. So what we're going to do is get the Q-tip and liquid lipstick. We're gonna apply it right here. And then we're gonna take the liquid lipstick and apply it to our lips. And I'm gonna be generous. Alright, let's see if it works. Ah, it does work. I don't see any lipstick on the corners of my lips, which I usually get after applying liquid lipstick. I don't have any product here. Yes, another hack that works. All right, so this side has my normal makeup application, while this side has the hack application. And which side do you guys like? Let us know your favorite makeup hacks in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!